Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully complete our registration fee, right? So now in this video, I want to complete our student monthly fee and then I will complete our student exam fee. Okay, so now let's start it with this. So that will be just like our registration. If you go to our project, into the project in our student management, that is our registration, that is the registration fee. And it is the registration fee when you select any year, when you select any class, and after that search, automatically all that our data will be loaded, and from here we can load that PDF, right? So perfect. So that will be just like that same. So here only we have to change little bit. So don't worry, step by step I will show you everything with the live example. So for doing this, first of all, I want to add one of the menu. Okay, that means in our sidebar, I want to add one of the menu after that registration fee. So that will be our monthly fee, right? So now go to our project. So into the project, that is our view, admin, body, and the sidebar. Into the sidebar, I have already created one of the registration fee. So now I copy it and now I want to paste it. So that will be another one as a monthly fee. Okay, I name it as a monthly fee. Okay, so that will be our monthly fee. Better I want to create one of the route just like that same as a monthly. That will be as a monthly fee and not the view. Now go to our web route. So as I told you friend, that will be just like our registration fee route. Better I copy it. For our monthly fee, we'll also need these three type of one of the route. Better I copy it, and after this I simply paste it. So that will be our monthly fee routes. Okay friend, so first of all, our view will be here. I have created that will be as a monthly fee and then view. I copy it and now go to our web. So that will be our view. I now first of all I want to change that route name. That will be the monthly fee and view. And I want to make it as a registration to the monthly fee view. That will be our URL. And better, there is a registration fee, right? So better I want to create another controller. I want to create another controller for the monthly fee. So better I want to do for our monthly fee, I want to create another controller. So if you want to create another controller, then you have to go to your project directory, and now I open as a CMD, and that will be into the same place. That means in our if you go into the controller, that is a backend folder and that is the student folder. So into the student folder, here I want to create another controller. Okay, so that will be the same. I want to name it as a PHP artisan and then make controller, and I'm into the backend folder and then the student folder. Into the student folder, I want to create one of the controller as a monthly fee controller. Okay, so this type of one of the controller I want to create. Now click as a enter, and now you can see our controller created successfully. Okay friends, so that will be just like that same. Now only we have to follow our registration fee. So better, that is our monthly fee. So our first work is we have to use it. Now go to our web again, and then here after this, that is our student folder. So after the student folder, I have created another controller, our controller name as a monthly fee controller. So now I copy it. That will be as a monthly fee controller, right? So now we can actually use it. So now I want to use it here. That will be as a monthly fee. That is a monthly fee controller. So into the monthly fee controller, I want to create one of the method that will be as a monthly fee view. Okay, so better I copy it. I want to create one of the method. Our method will be as a monthly fee view, and in our monthly fee controller, here I want to create. So as I told you friend, that will be as our registration fee. So into the registration fee, I have already created main our structure. So right now we will copy it, and here we will create our monthly fee very easily. So our first work is I want to add all that our model. So better I copy all that model, and now in our monthly fee, here I want to support it because that will be also needed, right? So I load everything, and after that, that is our registration fee. Into the registration fee, that is one of the method. Better I copy this method. Our method will be just like that same. I copy it, and after that, into the monthly fee, here I simply paste it. Okay, I simply paste it. So that will be our method. Right now I want to create another method as a monthly fee view, I copy it. So now that will be our monthly fee view, right friend? So here also we need that our year, we need that our classes. So with the student year, with this student year model, I get all the data and take the things with this variable. I get all that our student class data, take the things with this variable, right? So now I want to pass it. I want to pass it into the return view, into the backend, into the student before I have created as a student fee. Now I want to create another folder as a month or monthly fee. Okay, monthly fee. So this type of one of the folder I want to create, and also I want to create one of the file name that will be as a monthly fee underscore view. Okay. So into the student folder I want to create it. So now I copy it. I think you already know about that functionality. So you can see that is how into the student folder before I have created as a registration fee. So now into the student folder I want to create another folder and I name it as a monthly fee. So into the monthly fee I want to create another file that will be as a monthly fee view. Here I create one of the new file and now click as a save as, and I will name it as a monthly fee view dot blade dot php. Okay friend, so I simply add it. Perfect. So that will be, as I told you, that will be just like our registration fee. Into the registration fee, if you go to the registration fee view, I copy everything. Here also we need that Ajax, also we need our this handler bar. So I copy everything, and then in our monthly fee view here I simply paste it. Okay. So now I want to actually customize it. That will be as a student registration fee, not the registration. That will be as a monthly fee. Okay, that will be our registration fee. Perfect. So now if you click as a save all, and now go there. Now click as a refresh, and with the project you can see there is another menu is added as a monthly fee. Now if you click as a monthly fee, yeah, you can see it's now perfectly redirected to our student monthly fee. And that is our, all that year is now successfully loaded, all that our class is now successfully loaded, right? So friend, I want to actually get all the data by the month. So if you want to get this by this monthly wise, then here better I want to add another drop down. Okay, here I want to add another drop down for all that our month. So that will be actually same. That is our view page. Now go to our view. There is a monthly fee view here. Here I take it our year ID and I take it as a call MD4, right? So I also want to actually add another call MD. There is actually right now 3, that means that 4, 12, and the 8 and the 12, right? So right now I want to take another one. So for the reasons here I want to better make it as a 3, that means the call MD3. I updated that our note, so that will be also as a call MD3, because I want to add actually another one that will be also call MD3. Okay, I want to add another call MD3, better I copy it and after that I paste it. Okay, here I paste it. So that will be not the class. Here I want to make it as a month. Okay, I make it as a month, and also that will be as a select month. Okay, and I name this field as a month. I name it as a month, and also I updated our ID. ID will be as a month. Perfect. So right now here we don't need any for each. I want to add some of the static value data. So right now here we don't need this. Also there is a value, we don't need this. Okay friend, I want to actually add some of the static data, like that will be as a January. That will be as a January, and our value will be as a January, right? That means value will be January and our name will be as a January for our option value. Better I copy it and then I paste, because here we have to add that 12 month, right? So that is actually our January, and then I take another one as a February, and then I take as a March, and then that will be March, April, and then May, and then June, and then July. Sorry, that will be the June, and then July, and August, because I don't have any month wise database field. So that is the August, and then September, That will be as a September, October, and then November and December. November and then December. Okay friends, so here I simply take all that things. So that is our all that value, and now also we have to pass it. We have to pass it here. So that will be as a Control V. I make it as a March. That will be as a April. That will be as a May. That will be as a June, and then July, August, September, October, November, and then December. Okay friend, so I simply updated that part, and also I make that all call MD as a 3. So right now there are the 4. That means in total our row will be as a 12, right? So 3 and then 6, that is our another one as a 9, and then that will be for as a 3, that means 12, right? Perfect. So now if you click as a save all, and click the save all, and now refresh it. Yeah, you can see perfect. So that is our total 12 column, and that is our 3 column, that is another 3 column, and that is all that our month, right friends? So now here if you select as a with this month, then I want to get all the data by this month. Okay, so this type of one of the functionality I want to do. So also here we have to update this our name, that means our month, right? So here we have to update it, and also I name that ID as a month. So if you go there, so here we don't need to change anything. Here it will be just like the same, only there is our script. Into the script area, there is our year, there is our class ID, right? So now I take another one. As a month. So better I copy it. So that will be another one. I take another variable and name it as a month. Okay, that means that will be as a month, and also our ID, I name it as a month, right? If you go there, I name this ID as a month. Perfect. Okay, so here you have to update that part. That will be our month. And into the Ajax area, we have to create another route for this one. The type will be as a get method. I think you already know about it. And that is our year ID, means our year ID. Class ID will be as a class ID. And now I take another one as a month, right? So that will be obviously another one. That will be another one. Here I name it as a month, and then our variable will be month, right? So make that sure you add it, and rest of this will be just like that same. Here we don't need to change anything. Everything will be just like same. Only here I added another field as our month, right friend? Perfect. Our next work is we have to create this route. So this route will be as a student. I name it as a monthly. Okay, monthly fee, and I name it the same. Then student monthly fee class wise get, right? So from here we have to actually get all that our data. I think you already know about that procedure. So step by step we have to do actually flow all that procedure, right? So now I copy it, and now go to our route. We have to create this route. Now go to our web route. So I have already did the same things for our registration, right? Registration fee, and you can see that it will be the same. So right now I simply updated that part. Before that was as a registration fee. Now I want to update it. That will be as a monthly fee. Okay. And also here I want to update it our URL. Our URL I name it as a monthly fee class wise data. And then our controller will be not that registration. It will be as a monthly fee controller. And I want to create one of the method as a monthly. Okay. I name it as a monthly fee class data. So that will be our method. Okay friends, so now we have to create this method in our monthly fee controller. Now copy it, and now go there. I want to copy everything from our registration fee. So that will be just like that same. Okay, you can see I have also created another controller. That means another method for getting all that our data. So better I copy total method. Okay, I copy total method. So there is an and method. I copy everything, and now in our month, that means our month fee controller here I simply paste it. Okay, I simply paste it. So now that will be the same, only here we have to update some of the things. So that will be our method I name it as a monthly free class data. So I copy it, and then in our monthly fee controller here we have to update it. Right, friend, I hope everything is very much clear to you. And then I want to do that is our th source, that means our t head source. So before I have used as a registration fee, now I want to use it as a monthly fee. Okay, that will be as a monthly fee. So that is our monthly fee will be the same, only we have to update this portion. That means that if you go to that free category amount, like if you go to our database, into the database, before I take as a 1, right? So that is our free category, that means the free category amount. I open our this table, and into this table area you can see, friend, that is actually free category, that is our free category. First of all, here with the free category amount I get as a free category ID. So this free category ID means what? So that is our free category ID, right? Free category ID 1, 3 and then 2. If you go to our free category, so that is our free category, and into the free category here you can see, before I take it for the registration fee, and our registration fee ID, that is a 1. Right, so for the reasons before I get all that our registration fee data. So here you can see into the that is our free category amount, where our free category as a 1, right? Before I have take as a 1 data, that means our registration fee data. So right now I want to get our monthly fee data. So if you want to get this monthly fee data, only we have to update this ID, right? So that is actually the ID. So now I want to update this ID. So that will be right now I want to get this our monthly fee data. So our monthly fee is a 2. So for the reasons I simply update this part. Okay, friend, I hope it's very much clear to you, and rest of this will be just like that same. Only I want to pass our this monthly fee. So that is actually the ID. Before I have passed as a class ID and then student ID, right? So now I want to add another one for the monthly fee. So after that student, I take here I take another one. So that will be with the and then I want to add our name as a month. Okay, month, and then we have to concrete it. So I want to double and then double code with this concrete, and into this concrete position I want to pass our requested month. So that will be as a request. Okay, that means which data I actually pass from our page. That means I have already added that month, right? So that will be our requested. So into the requested I also put one of the name. If you go here, I have already put one of the name for the requested value data, and that is a name as a month, right? So that will be our this month, that means our requested month. Okay, friends, so that's all you have to do. Perfect. And also you have to create this URL. I think you already know about it. So that's all for our this portion. Okay, right, that's all for our this portion. So now if you click as a save all, click as a save all, and now go there, click as a refresh. So now that is our, if you now select as any year, if you select any class, and if you select as a February, now click as a search, it should be getting all that our data. You can see it's now perfectly updated our monthly fee. So that is our monthly fee. So now it's getting all that our monthly fee data, and you can see it's now perfectly visible, right? So now we have to actually create this, and here I want to load all that our student details with this monthly fee. I have to display it. I have to display it in our with this route, right? That is a student registration with one of the fee slip. So how can do that work better? I want to continue this process in our next video. I will show you that things with a live example. Okay, friend. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.